Hey guys! So last month I made my very first bullet journal. I enjoyed creating that journal and I found it very useful, and that's why today I decided to create a bullet journal for this month. So I want this bullet journal to look really beautiful because last time I was really not prepared. So this is for the front page. I made a video creating this flower. You should check it out. I printed this one so I can use this to paste this here. This is my first time using washi tapes. I had fun using this. This brown paper is from the paper bags used in groceries. I just saw this in our kitchen today and had the bright idea to use it here. So it can't be seen here in the camera, but my goal for this month is to lose weight, sleep early, study watercolor, sketching and a certain topic, and upload 4 videos on YouTube. So last month, I used a daily tracker to plan and track my daily activities. But for this month, I want to experiment with a different layout. Instead of a daily tracker, it will be a weekly tracker. I will list here all the things that I want to be done in that week or the meetings in that week. Next is my goal tracker. So I will be using these small calendars to track my goals. Then a flower to decorate this page. Next is the sleep tracker. I use here the rest of I printed out. Then the productivity tracker. I saw this layout of productivity tracker in one of JashiiCorrin's video. I will paste the link of the video below so you can watch the whole tutorial on how to do this and how this works. But for the overview, you will need to create icons for different activities that you do. For example is icon for work, exercise, icon for when you cook or clean the house. Then create a table where you can write level 1, 2, and 3 at the top, and the dates at the side of the table. After every activities you complete in a day, you will draw the icon in the box. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!